Here's a close-up of my mechanical power hammer. For my friends on Metal Meat, they want to see the action. Try to turn it over by hand so you can see how the coil spring slide absorbs the impact. You can see the top slide is moving on bronze bushings on machined shoulder bolts, and the adjustment screw here adjusts the impact and how hard you want to hit the dies. The speed's adjustable too, from 425 blows per minute to 2000. Most of the parts are available at either Granger's or MSC. They're just standard industrial bearings and bushings and shivs and the motor. The only complicated machining was the connecting rod that had to be bored on a lathe, and then two pieces TIG welded with a brace in the middle, and that had to been kept in alignment. There's ball bearings pressed inside that. The clevis is just a standard off-the-shelf industrial item. All the bushings are, the ram bushing is a standard industrial bushing. So are the coil springs. The C-frame is just a 1/4 inch 2x3 box tubing. The base is 11 gauge plate. It's been all welded and ground. The feet are adjustable and have rubber pads on them so it doesn't bounce around the floor when hammering. If that helps anybody, shows you what you want to see. The dies are handmade by me. They're just made out of 1020 cold roll, and then I harden them with Casonite with a rubber top die, high crown bottom, medium crown bottom, flat top. And I've got a homemade thumbnail shrinking set here. That was done just by milling a groove in each die with the 5/8 end mill at 15 degrees. Then I took some 5/8 cold roll, TIG welded it in, blended it with a Dremel, polished it, and then hardened that with Casonite as well. Everything's held in this 1-inch shank, held in with set screws. Very quick change, everything stays in place, and it works fine. If you have any questions, want to build one, get a hold of me on Metal Meat, and I'll let you know how I do it.